welcome to my channel Sanshu's Vlogs, and as requested, today's video is all about styling tips for chubby men. When it comes to fashion and styling tips for men, usually there are very few people who actually discuss about it. In these times where there is nothing of such a thing called an ideal body shape, it is high time that we embrace our body shapes. Lose weight only if it's for a health reason, but otherwise show all the love to your body. It deserves it. Many people, especially men, think that styling tips is only for those who are fit and who have that six-pack body and that muscles built up. But no, styling tips is for everyone. And here I want to tell you that whatever body shape you are in, embrace it and style it accordingly. The main motto of this video is to bring all the attention towards your face and making you feel confident by following all these styling tips. So without wasting any further time, let's move on to the tips. Tip number 1 is all about accessories, and this is the most underrated topic. So when we talk of accessories, ladies have a lot of varieties of accessories, but when it comes to men, there are very few options. And it is your smartness that how you use these accessories and style it up. The 4 most important accessories that you use almost every day are your tie, wallet, belt and watch. So when you're choosing a tie, make sure you choose a tie that is according to your body shape, that is the larger ties, and avoid any slimmer ties. Also, choosing the right color and the right pattern of your tie will lead the attention all towards your face. While choosing wallets, make sure you choose the slimmest one and not the thick one. Coming to the belts, you always have to prefer belts that are medium in size rather than going too large or too slim. When it comes to watches, it is preferable to wear either a leather strap or a metallic strap watch, as either of them will take away the attention from the chubby areas. Also, there are some men who prefer to wear short gold chains or gold bracelet, gold ring, which is totally their personal choice and they can absolutely wear it.
If you're a person who often wears suits, then make the best use of accessories like tie clips, lapel pin, pocket square and cufflinks, and see the difference for yourself.
The second point is about fabric and fit. While shopping, remember to avoid any outfits that are 100% linen or 100% cotton outfits, as they may make you look much more bulkier. Choose fabrics that are lightweight and have a mix of cotton in them. When it comes to the fit, make sure it is just right on your body, which is not too tight or not too loose. And how to check that, I will tell you. Check the length of the shoulder of the shirt or the t-shirt against you and see where this shoulder rim is falling. So it should fall exactly at this point, not here and not here. Okay, so this is the point which says that it is an exact fit for you.
And while choosing pants, go for flat fronted pants rather than the pleated pants.
Tip number 3 is about colors and patterns. So by now many of you must be already knowing that darker color will help you in hiding that extra weight around your body. But also wearing darker colors every time makes your wardrobe so boring. So how to solve that problem? Here it is. Maintain contrast in your outfit. So suppose if you're wearing a darker color t-shirt or a shirt, wear a lighter color bottom wear. So what happens is you are actually giving an illusion to the people who are looking at you, and they perceive that you are looking much more slimmer. And when you're choosing patterns on shirts or t-shirts, make sure it's not too heavy printed or too large prints. Go for subtle prints that are smaller to medium in size.
You can choose shirts or t-shirts that has got a contrasting color over the shoulder, or you can choose a contrasting color over the collars, pocket or the sleeves. While choosing stripes, go for the vertical stripes rather than the horizontal, as you can see in the images. But if you want to go with the horizontal ones, then go with the thinner ones rather than the thicker stripes.
When it comes to choosing what is the right color for chubby men, Actually, there are no restrictions as long as you are willing to experiment with each and every color. Tip number 4 is about third layer garment. So under third layer garment, we get garment pieces like jackets, coats, vest and sweaters. Using the right third layer garment evens out your body shape and nowhere it will feel like as if you are a chubby person. But just remember that while purchasing any of these garments, it should not be made of a bulky fabric. So in this case, while purchasing a third layer garment, it is preferable to choose a darker color option because even if the fabric is bulky, it will not have much effect on your body shape. Tip number 5 is high waist. Yes, we come across many people who keep their pants either too low or too high up. In either of the cases, their bellies will look much bigger. So what to do in this cases? Just keep it right across your belly button and your problem will be solved. Tip number 6 is footwear. Since you're already chubby, avoid sandals or shoes that are bulky and also avoid those that have rounder edges. Instead, go for footwear that have a little pointy edge and that has a little bit of heel. While choosing sandals, it's preferable to go with open toe sandals rather than going with flip-flops. Tip number 7 is about your posture. While sitting, keep your shoulders and your back straight, which will bring a lot of confidence in you. So when there's a lot of confidence, people actually admire you for your talent and no one is looking at your chubbiness anymore. Even when you are standing or walking, it is very important to keep your shoulders and your back straight. Last but not the least, tip number 8 is about the Indian wear. I think rather than the Western wear, Indian wear is the best for chubby men. So in Indian wear, chubby men have got options like kurta pajama and dhotis. I think these both outfits are like a savior for chubby men, especially when it comes in evening out the body shape. So whenever you're choosing a kurta pajama, make sure you're choosing a darker color kurta and a lighter color pajama. Again, don't go too loose on kurtas and pajamas. Wear the right fit ones.
Adding a Nehru jacket over your kurta will definitely hide away all the chubbiness and also makes you look authoritative and attractive.
And when it comes to shirt and dhotis, I think it is the best of all the outfits as it just simply evens out your body shape and nowhere does it make you feel like as if you are chubby. Plus dhotis are very comfortable, eco-friendly and maintains your body temperature right. So that's all for today's video. I hope you loved it. So if I have missed out on anything, just do let me know in the comments below and also tell me how this video was. If there are any more suggestions about the next videos, just tell me in the comments below and I will make that. So like, share and subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, families and whoever who needs to watch this video. So see you until the next video. Bye bye. Take care.